Buzzies, welcome to BuzzingOwl.
Buzzing out, flying high, learning every day, reaching the sky. Trees and leaves, the colors shine. Come explore nature, it's science time. Buzzing out, oh, can't you see? We learn and play, just wait and see.
Whoa! Look at all those fluttering wings! But how does a butterfly even become a butterfly? Time to find out!
One of our BuzzingOwl friends asked, "What's the life cycle of a butterfly?" Great question! Let's follow the journey together. Every butterfly starts as a tiny egg on a leaf. After a few days, out hatches a hungry little caterpillar.
Caterpillars eat and eat and eat. They grow so fast, they shed their skin like a snake.
When it's ready, the caterpillar hangs upside down and forms a chrysalis. Inside, a magical transformation called metamorphosis.
Metamorphosis? That's a big word, but it means total change.
Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar's body turns into a kind of butterfly soup and then rebuilds itself into wings, legs, and antennae.
It's like nature's ultimate makeover. Fun fact, butterflies help flowers grow by carrying pollen from one bloom to another, just like bees.
That's why butterflies aren't just pretty, they're important garden heroes.
Want to see this magic in real life? Plant milkweed in your garden. It's the only plant monarch caterpillars eat.
Or look for caterpillars on leaves in spring. Observe them safely and you might just witness a butterfly emerge.
Nature's full of wonders, brainy buddies. Keep your eyes open and your heart curious.
Thanks for learning with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep buzzing with us next time.
First comes the egg, so tiny and small. On a leaf, it waits for the call. A little caterpillar starts to hatch. It's ready to munch, ready to match. Look at it grow, munching all day, eating leaves in every way. Take the caterpillar, munch, munch, munch. Chrysalis time for a magic lunch. Then a butterfly, flying free. Look at it go so happily. The caterpillar's ready, it spins a cocoon. Inside it changes morning to noon. Metamorphosis so big and bright, it's nature's magic full of delight. Take the caterpillar, munch, munch, munch. Chrysalis time for a magic lunch. Then a butterfly, flying free. Look at it go so happily. Butterflies help flowers grow, carrying pollen to and fro. They're heroes spreading flowers wide, helping gardens grow with pride. Take the caterpillar, munch, munch, munch. Chrysalis time for a magic lunch. Then a butterfly, flying free. Look at it go so happily. So that's the cycle, full of cheer. Watch a butterfly, it's so near. Thanks for learning, we hope you see how a butterfly flies so happily. You did great, you learned so much today. So many new things in your brain. Buzzing Out is proud of you. Learning's fun, and that's true too. Don't forget to like and subscribe now, so we can learn and play again somehow. Buzz, see you in the next Buzzworthy show.